Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all of you happy and well. So in today's video, classical and cozy Christmas centerpiece. Discuss Christmas bring the magic of the season to your table. Place a glowing candle in the center, around it with beans, scones, red berries, and golden ornaments. Add a touch of fresh green beans branches, and your home will smell like Christmas morning. Simple, warm, and full of love. This centerpiece will make every meal feel like a celebration. Elegant and golden themes turn your dining table into a winter wonderland. Use golden candles, shining bubbles, and a touch of glitter. The soft golden golden light will make your home glow. Add a white table runner and a tiny lights for extra spark. This is perfect centerpiece for a cozy family dinner or glamorous Christmas parties. Candlelight and winter. Christmas is about warmth and togetherness. Light a few red and white candles in the center of your table. Place them in glass holder and surround them with ornaments. Watch as the candlelight dance and make your home feel intimately and full of Christmas joy. Nature rustic style. For a natural look, keep it simple. Use wooden chair, fresh beans, branches, cinnamon stick, and a few orange with drops. This rustic centerpiece will fill your room with a sweet holiday smell. It's easy, friendly, and perfect for a farmhouse style Christmas sparkle and full Christmas. Christmas is the season to shine. Creative centerpiece with silver ornaments, crystal glass jar, and fairy lights let the table spark like star in the night sky. Your guests will love this magical and full and a fun Christmas table. Friends, viewers, red and golden Christmas charm. Nothing says Christmas like red and golden. Place a big red candles in the middle of your table. Surround with golden ornaments, shiny bells, and little bows. Add a few pin-cones. Spray with golden paint for extra spark. This centerpiece will make your table look royal and festive. Winter wonderland theme. Bring the beauty of a snow winter night to your table.